Let's now go to stomach patterns. Let's discuss stomach cold. This concept is due to a cold pathogen invading the stomach and manifests as cold pain in the epigastrium with excess cold symptoms. It is also called cold invading the stomach. The key symptoms would be presence of epigastric pain and cold patterns at the same time. This analysis pattern is mostly ascribed to an excessive intake of raw and cold food or an attack on the stomach by cold, which leads to cold stagnation in the epigastrium. For clinical manifestations, sudden epigastric pain, which is aggravated by cold and alleviated by warmth, nausea, vomiting, pain, which is relieved temporarily after vomiting, a bland taste in the mouth and lack of thirst, or clear drooling, excess salivation, pale or blue complexion, cold limbs, a pale tongue with a white, moist, and slippery coating, and a wiry or deep, slow, and tight pulse. In the analysis of a stomach cold pattern, when cold prevents descent of stomach chi, there will be cold contracts and stagnates chi. There would be epigastric cold pain. In excess pattern, there would be sudden onset. For stomach chi, counterflows upward, there will be nausea and vomiting. For cold with dispersed in warmth, there will be pain. Pain is relieved in warmth. When chi is stagnated, more in cold circumstances, there will be aggravation of pain. If chi stagnation is relieved after vomiting, the pain is alleviated temporarily. When cold damages yang chi, there would be the stomach would fail to transform water and then ascends with yang chi. There would be clear drooling from the mouth. When yang chi is trapped and fails to disperse outward, there will be cold limbs, pale or blue complexion. Then the white moist coating, a wiry or deep and tight pulse are manifestations of excess cold. Cold invading the stomach, etiology, invasion of exterior cold, exposure to cold, excessive consumption of cold or raw foods. The underlying or accompanying pathology, the possible underlying stomach chi weakness. For signs and symptoms, the sudden severe epigastric pain, feeling cold, preference for warmth, cold limbs, nausea and vomiting of clear fluids that relieves pain, pain worse after drinking cold fluids, preference for warm liquids. The pulse would be deep, tight, and slow. The tongue would be thick white coating. For treatment principle, you can scatter cold, warm, and harmonize the stomach and stop pain. The acupuncture treatment to be used are stomach 21, which dissipates stomach cold. REN 13 stimulates descending of stomach chi. Stomach 36, the main point to supplement stomach chi. Stomach 44 descends stomach chi. Pericardium 6 harmonizes the stomach. Spleen 4 clears obstruction from stomach. Stomach 34 for acute and painful patterns. REN 12 supplements stomach and spleen chi. Stomach 21 regulates chi and alleviates pain. And the needle with even method and moxa. For relevant advice, when there is an invasion of cold in the stomach, the person will benefit from eating and drinking food and beverages that have a warming and spicy dynamic and that are thermally hot, such as ginger tea. If the invasion is due to climatic influences or wet clothes, a ginger poultice on the abdomen can help to expel the cold. The person should avoid consuming food and beverages that are cold in their temperature and energy. The upper abdomen should be kept warm and dry. Thank you for your attention.